Hello guys, it's Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an iPhone 11 Pro Max with a damaged display. It still works. The touch is working, but it's not good. So let's go fix it. So right now we can still access the phone. The cameras are all working, display, the touch, but those pesky white lines, green lines, not that good for usability standpoint. So we're gonna replace the display, and we're gonna start off by removing the two pentalobe screws near the lightning port. The iPhone 11 Pro Max still has the lightning charger. It's just for Apple products. It's a good thing that they have moved on to USB Type-C. And we're gonna remove the display. And as usual, we're gonna be careful which side to lift. We're gonna put that on a 90-degree angle, of course. And try to open it up. There are connectors on the sides, and we're gonna prop it up by using this advanced tool. It's just a can of oil, I think. And we're gonna remove some screws that are holding onto this retaining plate to expose the connectors for the display. There's, I guess, 3 of them. Let's see, there's 1, 2, 3. Mostly for the components that are attached to the display. We have already copied data from this display, and we are going to transfer it to the replacement screen that we have. We're also going to transfer some hardware components from the old display. This is the replacement screen. We're gonna screw those back in. These are tiny screws, 3 tiny screws, and of course David is making it look easy. iPhone 11 Pro Max, very capable device, relatively old compared to the iPhone 14 or 15, but it's still a viable option for 2024. Right here, David has all the knowledge needed to fix this, so it's very quick. If you want quality iPhone screen replacement, definitely visit Sydney CBD Repair Center, and David here will sort you out. Especially for older iPhones, if you don't have the Apple Care, of course you're gonna go to independent repair shops like David here, and still very good options, reasonable prices, and of course you get quality components. And you can see this is an actual repair done for a customer, and you'll be rest assured that your smartphone will be in good hands. If you want to DIY this, I guess there's lots of tutorials on YouTube you can follow. You can also order some parts off of Amazon or eBay, but it's gonna be tricky if you don't know what you're looking for. So it's better to just go to a trusted repair service technician and have them do the repairs, hunt the parts for you, and give your iPhone another lease of life. This one is gonna live on for like 2 to 3 years, depending on the life of the battery and the components inside, but this is going to be saved from the sad reality of being thrown into a landfill. So David is doing a great job of protecting the environment and the customer's wallet. And we're done. We're gonna just install this tempered glass, and thanks for joining, guys, and don't hesitate to message David if you need an iPhone screen replacement, or if you have a Samsung Android device. He will also help you with that. This is a free tempered glass, and we're gonna return this to our client. We're gonna show you the before and after, of course. Squidward is still unhappy, but we are happy. This is working. This is before and after. Thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness, hilarious. You think you're worth my time?